Good morning. Positive for today. Alam niyo po, nag-pop up sa TikTok memory ko yung positive ko po last year about self-entitlement. Yung may mga statement na, I deserve this, I deserve that. Yung kapag hindi nabigay yung gusto, nagagalit, naninigaw ng kapwa, at talagang marami pa din sa atin ay may mga ganitong tendency. At minsan tayo baka mga low-key self-entitled tayo. At siguro maganda pong pag-usapan ulit natin ito, suriin ang kalooban, palawigin ang ating pananaw. Una, identify your self-entitlement thoughts. Yung mga sense of expectation and deservingness. Na ma-realize natin na hindi lahat pwede nating makuha. O kung makuha man natin yung gusto natin, hindi nagiging maganda sa ating pagkatao. Baka nagiging greed tayo. Pangalawa, put yourself in others' shoes and understand their situation and perspectives. Paano kung ikaw yung hinihingian? Ikaw yung kinagagalitan. Ikaw yung sinisigawan. Isn't it hurtful? And finally, be humble. Realize that you are not always on top, and table will always turn. And the cure to self-entitlement is always humility. Love, love.